Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an episode that's bound to ignite your outdoor spirit. We're diving deep into the world of survival multi-tools. And the best part, they all cost less than $40. Are you ready to gear up for the wilderness? Let's jump right in. Number 3. RoverTac 14-in-1 Camping Essentials Multi-Tool. Kicking things off at number 3, we have a trusty companion that's got 14 essential functions packed into one compact package. Introducing the RoverTac 14-in-1 Camping Essentials Multi-Tool. You won't believe what this little wonder can do. Strong, versatile, and easy to handle. The RoverTac Multi-Tool hatchet is designed to tackle almost all jobs in almost every situation, featuring an ergonomic design, durable stainless steel construction, and a secure locking system. This lightweight multi-tool integrates 14 convenient tools that will make a huge difference. The hammer and axe are the core of this tool. The hammer can be used as an emergency escape tool too. The axe and saw can cut branches and wood for your campfire or snares, and even marshmallow roasting sticks. As a compact multi-tool built from high-quality stainless steel in black oxidation with high standards, and it comes in a durable nylon sheath, this multifunctional hatchet has all the necessary tools you need for camping, hiking, fishing, and survival. RoverTac 14-in-1 Camping Essentials Multi-Tool includes axe, file saw, hammer, knife blade, wire cutter, regular plier, flat jaw plier, fish descaler, bottle opener, assorted wrenches, Phillips screwdriver, slotted screwdriver, large slotted screwdriver. Why choose RoverTac Multi-Tool Camping Gear? 1. Compact Toolkit. Contains 14 different tools, including hammer, axe, pliers, knife blade, saw, assorted hex wrenches, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, file, fish descaler, and more with a durable sheath. 2. Heavy duty. Full stainless steel with durable black oxidation for the main part and special red color oxidation for the handle. Strong enough to cut, pry, twist the screw, open fire hydrant, saw wood, etc. 3. Always be ready. Our multi-tool is always ready to do the job you need when you are camping, hiking, fishing, hunting, or DIY. Our tool has what you need in a compact form ready to go. 4. An emergency tool. Everyone should put such a survival tool in the car. It can save your life on any emergency occasion, and it comes with a fire starter and a whistle to summon help. 5. A perfect gift. This is a perfect gift for must-have gift for campers, hikers, and DIYers, for fathers, sons, boyfriends, men or women for birthdays, Christmas, and Father's Day. It makes a special gift for teenage boys as well. Number 2. GIRIAITUS 16-in-1 Upgraded Survival Multi-Tool. Moving on to our number 2 pick, we've got an upgraded survival powerhouse that's about to amaze you. Meet the GIRIAITUS 16-in-1 Survival Multi-Tool. It's not your ordinary multi-tool. It's a game changer. This multi-tool survival axe is not only helpful for repairing handymen, carpenters, and DIYers indoors, but also essential for explorers who like backpacking, camping, hiking, fishing, and expeditions. The included durable pouch is made with ballistic nylon and reinforced stitching for your everyday carry. What is included in this versatile tool? Portable and durable nylon suitcase, 16-in-1 multi-tool folding axe, advanced product packaging box. Why choose GIRIAITUS 16-in-1 Upgraded Survival Multi-Tool? There are multiple convenient light gadgets. For the sake of safety, we recommend using one tool at a time. Instead of unfolding the tool in the middle, make sure it is completely stored or removed. Sturdy needle nose pliers. Reinforced stainless steel needle nose pliers with high-strength structure, which can be ordinary pliers or wire cutters. Slotted Phillips screwdriver. Screwdriver made of high-quality stainless steel. There are 3 sizes. Phillips screwdriver, PH1/PH2. Slotted screwdriver, SL 4.5. Tool hammer. The multifunctional tool hammer can be used as a self-defense emergency hammer or as a decoration hammer to help you break glass. Convenient to carry and easy to use every day. Magnesium rod ignition. Take out the magnesium rod and use the serrations on the straight knife to scrape to achieve ignition. Straight knives and saw blades. Make a sharp serrated part on the straight knife to cut everything, and cut everything. Suitable for outdoor enthusiasts, bicycle enthusiasts, maintenance enthusiasts, hiking, camping, hiking, cycling, fishing, or DIY, etc. Nail file and corkscrew. Leisure nail files can also file out some uneven surfaces. Take it with you. Maybe it will help you to open the bottle cap somewhere. Whistle. There is a whistle on the tail of the magnesium rod, which is convenient to use at any time. Nylon bag. Sturdy nylon bag with belt buckle for easy carrying. Number 1. NexTool Black Knight 12-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi-Tool. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, our number 1 pick. The NexTool Black Knight 12-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi-Tool. This sleek and sturdy tool is a true legend in the world of multi-tools. With features like a fire starter and glass breaker, the NexTool Black Knight is not just a tool. It's a survival companion that'll have your back in any situation. You won't want to miss what this tool can do. What is included in this versatile tool? Sheath, knife, plier, scissor, wire cutter, saw, screwdriver, bottle opener, nail file, pocket clip, protective case. Why choose NexTool Black Knight 12-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi-Tool? Wood saw. HRC50 makes high hardness of the serrated blade with a linear lock mechanism. This multi-tool is safer and more stable. 11 centimeters, size compact and portable. This stainless steel multi-tool can casually put on backpack of pocket. With wearing a pocket clip, it can be clipped to belt. It's a perfect standby pocket tool. One-hand operation pocket knife, easy to cut. Convenient one-handed operation design make this multi-tool knife easy to cut during camping and fishing. High hardness and toughness. Long-lasting, strong, durable, sharp, versatile, quick-fix tool to handle any tough job. Regular plier. To tighten or loosen screw nut over 4 millimeters. Mini soft wire cutter. Able to cut thin copper wire of 0.15 millimeters. Needle nose plier. To twist steel wire and short diameter screw nut. So whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a camper, or just someone who loves being prepared, these top 3 survival multi-tools under $40 have got you covered. So gear up, stay safe, and never stop exploring. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more exciting content, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay wild and stay prepared.